Hi everyone, welcome. In this video we will learn how to claim Robinhood chain testnet faucet. So I will share the website link in the video description. When you click on it, you will see this on the screen, and first you have to add the testnet in your MetaMask. Right now we are on the Robinhood testnet chain and we have zero balance. Then you have to make sure your wallet is connected, and also you have to connect your Google account. So without connecting Google account, you not able to claim this faucet. So you will get 0.01 ETH and this tokens, stock tokens, and also you can import these all in your connected wallet. First I will send the tokens, and here you can see we have must connected with our Gmail, and we have to verify, and then we able to claim the tokens. Okay, so we successfully claim the tokens, and I can also click on the import alls, and then these tokens will be import in my wallet. Here you can see I will add token, and here we can see Amazon and Netflix, Tesla tokens, 5 tokens, and we can claim these faucets every after 24 hours. Thank you.